Real Vision Chief Executive Officer and former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul has updated his outlook for some top cryptocurrency assets amidst the recent carnage in the traditional banking sector, which has prompted some bullish moves in the cryptocurrency markets. In a recent video update, Powell predicts that this recent bullish momentum could push ETH prices anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000 or even higher. While discussing his updated price predictions for the top smart contract platform, Powell said, "It could be anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000. Let's call it that. It could be even higher. I don't know because there are a lot of mechanics in ETH, which is very lopsided because of the burn. The more people come into the network, the less ETH is around. I think it might become a problem for ETH, but it's going to give it a lot of upside volatility." This is not the first time Powell is making predictions about the cryptocurrency platform and its native token or placing both above other crypto platforms and tokens. Last month, during an interview with Altcoin Daily, Powell said he expected the leading altcoin to rise to $10,000 per token within the next few years. During that interview, he noted that another smart contract platform like Solana could one day outperform Ether. Still, he believes the latter's use cases and underlying mechanism make it the best and safest bet for crypto enthusiasts and investors. In a new blog post, Powell repeated similar sentiments about the largest altcoin, this time pitching it against Bitcoin. In his post, Powell notes that Ether has many things working in its favor, while Bitcoin has only one saleable quality. Before we delve deeper into the video and Powell's updated outlook for Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and XRP, please take a little time to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss any of our regular uploads. Also, ensure you drop your comments on Powell's outlook as well as your price predictions for both crypto assets in the comments section. Everything helps with the YouTube algorithm, so we can continue to bring you these videos. Thanks and enjoy the video. According to Raoul, the best way to approach the noisy crypto ecosystem is to consider each network as a digital nation-state instead of just traditional technology. Powell states that Bitcoin and Ether should be considered economies. He goes further by explaining that the Bitcoin economy is founded on one narrative, while Ether has much more to offer. Let's examine some of his statements about Bitcoin. The Bitcoin economy is founded on one basic narrative. Governments have destroyed the value of our currencies, and Bitcoin is the hard, independent money that will finally free us all. It is fiercely protective of the integrity of its protocol and, as a result, shuns innovation in the name of purity. Think of the Bitcoin economy as the Catholic Church back in the Dark Ages or the gold bug community. There can only be one God or one asset. In the case of the Bitcoin economy, the only asset that exists is Bitcoin. So if you wish to allocate capital to this economy, your only choice is to hodl Bitcoin. This is the maximalist view of Bitcoin, and many Bitcoin maxists would take Powell's description of the leading crypto asset as a strength instead of a weakness. In his post, Powell also describes some qualities of the Ether network, which he believes would likely make it larger than the Bitcoin economy over the long term. Here is Powell's description of the Ether network. The Ether economy is in many ways similar to the US economy. In this system, you can start out by buying ETH, which has a deflationary supply, meaning there will be less of it as time goes by. Because of this, its central bank staking adheres to a responsible monetary policy designed to ensure that value is upheld and not debased. There's also yield to be had. In the same way you can purchase a treasury bond in the US and, in exchange, receive a risk-free yield, you can do the same in the Ether economy. At the moment, you can get a 5% real yield from the central bank. For those who would like to seek higher yield by going further out on the risk curve, Powell says such can be found in DeFi, peer-to-peer financial services built primarily on the Ether blockchain network. With this, Powell says Ether encapsulates the qualities of a sound currency with its deflationary supply, a government bond through yield farming, and a corporate bond market through DeFi. In his post, Powell goes further by stating that Ether offers the opportunity to have a truly diversified portfolio with non-fungible tokens, and the economy continues to grow rapidly. The post reads, "Property/art exists in the form of NFTs. They are priced in ETH, and over time, as ETH goes up in value, the NFTs will rise not only in line with the currency, but can outperform due to scarcity or utility. It doesn't end there, though. The ETH economy is growing. Once you own the currency, a whole new world of opportunities opens up. You'll find things like dApps, decentralized autonomous organizations, social tokens, and Layer 2s that will further leverage the ETH economy. It is my view that many of these will do extremely well over the long term and will outperform ETH, much like Microsoft has outperformed the USD. IRA allow you to save for retirement in a tax-advantaged way for greater financial security with lots of tax advantages. But most IRA offer the same boring stocks and bonds. Introducing iTrust.capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. iTrust.capital allows cryptocurrency investors like you to enjoy all the exciting benefits of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. It combines the traditional IRA with the new, exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Why should you use iTrust.capital? It is the best crypto retirement platform in America, with some of the lowest fees of any cryptocurrency IRA platform. It gives investors adequate exposure to some of the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. You can buy and sell all your favorite crypto assets while enjoying amazing tax-free gains. It is adequately secured by Coinbase custody with a $320 million insurance to protect against theft. You can easily roll over an existing retirement account or begin a new one when you register on iTrust.capital. iTrust.capital is the trusted crypto IRA for many American investors who love the crypto industry. To join the millions of Americans who use the platform, please click on the link in the description box below. According to Powell, despite the ecosystem's many opportunities, investors must put in the work and be properly diversified to find the best opportunities. The former Goldman Sachs executive completes his ETH analysis by describing the leading smart contract network as the fastest-growing economy on Earth with a sound central bank in a completely free market. He adds that unlike the Bitcoin network, the Ether network is broad and deep and practically mirrors traditional economies. In his post, Powell also spares some thoughts for XRP and Solana, which he describes as smaller economy markets. You could think of XRP as the UK, an old economy that, while important and well-established, does not grow very fast because of a lack of innovation. On the other hand, Solana might be South Korea just after the Asian crisis when its currency and equity market came crashing down. It was an unmatched opportunity that outperformed both the USD and SPX for 6 years. However, it did not stand the test of time. It failed to continue the outperformance. Who knows how Solana will play out? Despite Powell placing Ether over the Bitcoin network, he is invested in both cryptocurrencies and believes in the superiority of the leading crypto asset over the fiat system. Here is one of his tweets from Tuesday. All said and done, the reason I got into Bitcoin back in 2013, you don't actually own your money, and they will debase it if they don't take it, remains just as valid and obvious today as it was in the EU crisis. Bitcoin was $200 back then. Where will it be in another 10 years? What are your thoughts on Raoul Pal's assessment of the Bitcoin and Ether networks? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section. Meanwhile, amidst fear of financial contagion and a slightly favorable inflation report from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the crypto economy rebounded significantly on Tuesday with the global crypto market cap increasing by over 11%. Bitcoin hit a record high of $26,514, its highest price since June 2022, while Ether peaked at $1,788. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is the best performer of the top 20 cryptocurrencies. It has gained over 15% in the past week and around 7% in the past 24 hours. What are your thoughts on the current price movements in the crypto markets? Do you think the rally will be sustained for a longer period than most recent rallies? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more important updates in the cryptocurrency industry. Thanks for watching.